In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use accordions on your website for a more organized and dynamic user experience. To start, you'll want to click on the Add Elements icon, which you'll find on the left-hand menu of your website builder interface. This is the central hub where you can access a variety of tools and elements to enhance your web pages. Once you click there, a list will expand with different categories of elements you can add to your page. For our purpose today, we are going to focus on layout tools. Simply scroll and select Layout Tools from this menu. Now, within Layout Tools, you'll find several options designed to help structure and organize your web page content. Keep an eye out for accordions. Accordions are particularly useful when you have a lot of content but want to avoid overwhelming your visitors. They allow sections of content to expand and collapse, making it easy for users to navigate through information on your site. Once you've spotted them, choose one you like and simply drag it onto your page. After adding the accordion, you will want to customize its appearance and functionality to suit your website's design and your users' needs. Head over to the accordion settings where you can tweak various aspects, such as fonts, colors, and icons. These choices will help match the accordion to your overall site aesthetic, ensuring a seamless look. You can also adjust its behavior. For instance, decide on animations for how the accordion opens and closes, or set the default state, so users are met with either open or closed sections depending on what best serves your content's purpose. Following this customization, you'll need to organize the information within the accordion. For this, you'll use the Manage Items feature. Here, you have the ability to add new items, rename existing ones, or even delete items that you no longer need. This is where you craft the questions and answers, or the main headings and details that you want to display, offering visitors rich content in a digestible format. Furthermore, if you want to enhance the visual appeal or provide additional context, you can add other elements like images to the content area of each accordion item. This can be particularly useful for visual learners or when you have images that complement the written information. Such additions can transform a simple accordion into an interactive and engaging part of your site. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you will have effectively added and customized an accordion to your website, creating a neat and efficient way for your audience to interact with your content. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy web designing.